Hello, and welcome to What's New in Dynamics 365 Business Central. I'm excited to be taking you through some of the new features, capabilities, and offerings with our latest release. For those who may not be familiar with Business Central, I'll start by illustrating how it fits within the Dynamics 365 family of solutions and what makes it unique, and then we'll talk about what's new for April. For larger or more complex enterprises, Dynamics 365 provides a number of dedicated business solutions that can be deployed standalone or in concert with each other as needed, like Dynamics 365 for sales, for marketing, customer service, field service, finance and operations, commerce and talent, along with solutions for artificial intelligence and mixed reality. But for small and medium-sized organizations who don't require quite that level of complexity to run their business, well, Business Central is an all-in-one business management solution, combining financials, sales, service, operations, even manufacturing in a single unified experience, offering robust analytics, infused with artificial intelligence capabilities, and deeply integrated with Office 365 for unparalleled productivity. And despite its ease of use and low cost of ownership, Business Central is a full-featured solution. It's functionally deep and rich, owing to Microsoft's decades of experience in business applications development, yet tailored specifically to the needs of small and medium businesses. The all-in-one nature of Dynamics 365 Business Central eliminates data silos, so data can be quickly and easily shared with key people throughout your company. You've got access to the most current, most accurate data, so you're making the most informed decisions possible. You can work wherever your business takes you. You've got full capabilities on any device, whether a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. And Business Central is even directly embedded within Outlook, so business data and processes work right where users spend most of their time. With all business data at your fingertips, real time, you get an end-to-end view of the business with out-of-the-box dashboards designed for each role to give users exactly what they want to see, with flexible KPIs that can be easily tailored for specific needs. Built-in AI lets you elevate your performance and powers an improved customer experience, and system suggestions based on historical data and trends lead to optimized process outcomes, better decisions, and higher productivity. You can easily tailor Business Central in a no-code environment through the UI and with embedded Power Apps, Power BI, and Flow. Visit AppSource, Microsoft's business applications marketplace, to quickly add third-party integrations, horizontal or vertical-specific add-on functionality designed to work seamlessly with Business Central. And you can start with as many or as few users as you want and grow as your needs grow. Built on Microsoft's intelligent cloud, Business Central will scale and perform as your volumes do with no additional cost or system tuning required. So now that we've covered the key capabilities and benefits of Business Central, we'll turn to what's new in the April 2019 release. The Microsoft Dynamics 365 family of business applications, it's built around four key pillars of software design that guide our product investment, and those are modern, unified, intelligent, and adaptable. The applications are built to work seamlessly with Microsoft's Power Platform to easily tailor and extend analytics, processes, and functionality. Well, this release delivers key advancements in each of the four pillars, starting with modern user experience, where we continue developing and delivering enhancements for usability and productivity, with a focus on our top customer-requested features. We've enriched and strengthened the unified experience for customers deploying Business Central, along with Dynamics 365 for sales. Intelligent Cloud Insights are available for more of Microsoft's on-premise customers on Dynamics GP, Nav, and SL, and a focus on adaptability includes new capabilities for extension and lifecycle management. As with every release of Business Central, we've made hundreds of new features and capabilities available, and we make sure to deliver tangible value for each kind of user who interacts with the solution, not just end users, but also our partners and developers. The first new feature we'll talk about is list views. In response to one of the top ideas from our community, users can now save their list filters and similar personalizations to create different ways of slicing their data. They give list views a name, like items I sell, and it might include filters on totals or dimensions or filter tokens or all of the above to dynamically filter to the right data, as well as different sorting, allowing more complex and tailored views of any given list. And similar to other personalizations, list views roam with the user. So no matter which device or browser they sign into, they've got their personalizations with them. Quick entry is another really cool feature to boost productivity and speed data entry. Desktop users often spend a lot of time repeatedly typing in information to create records in sequence, whether taking orders over the phone or digitizing receipts or registering new items. So quick entry gives an alternate path through the editable fields on a page. The Enter key becomes different from the Tab key, so you can move the focus to the next quick entry field, skipping over the non-essential fields. It's a huge time saver. Back office information workers spend a lot of time working with lists, whether analyzing trends or entering and modifying data. And as the database grows, the experience has to allow them to continue working efficiently. So we've rewritten how rows are displayed, improving the initial display time, as well as the snappiness of navigating across cells. Users can scroll unhindered to any position in the list using the keyboard or the scroll bar without ever having to pause for a "fetching more rows" message, no matter how large that list gets. So the experience is seamless when scrolling at a pace where you can read rows comfortably, and the records are always loaded on demand to ensure that even the largest of lists doesn't affect the user experience. New users often use different terms than those that we use to name the related entities in Business Central. So, for example, they might use product instead of item or client instead of customer. And Business Central comes with around 200 of these alternate search terms for selected pages and reports. But in this release, we've taken it even further, allowing any organization to extend this library with custom search terms to help users find pages and reports. And we're also now including results for partner solutions on AppSource. So this allows users to seek help and easily extend Business Central with the many solutions that are available from our partner community. One size doesn't fit all. Users can make minor adjustments in the layouts of their actions on any list, worksheet card, or document page to optimize precisely how they work. Hide actions that aren't relevant, move actions across groups, and hide and reorder groups. Some fields are needed only occasionally, while others are so important that users need them visible at all times. So fields can now be personalized to adjust whether they're hidden until choosing Show More, or they're displayed in the Fast Tab summary. Combined with the ability to move, hide, and show fields, this gives maximum flexibility to optimize every page for every user. Troubleshooting errors in business data or feature configuration often requires more insight than what's shown on the page. So power users and support staff can now instantly inspect any page, revealing all of the contents of the record, including fields that aren't shown on the page. This immersive, highly interactive point-and-click experience displays information alongside the page without interrupting how you interact with the page itself. And you can view any extensions that affect that page or underlying tables and learn what pages and fields were added by those extensions. We've made a ton of enhancements for application lifecycle management, making it even easier for admins and partners to manage tenants, thus creating a smoother experience for our customers. So you can customize the upgrade schedule, manage notifications, available extension upgrades, deploy release candidates of new versions to a sandbox for an early look and any development or testing needs. And speaking of sandboxes, with the April release, admins can now create multiple sandbox environments for their tenant. Each one is a different environment and can be modified, upgraded, and removed independently without affecting production. An automated service will validate per-tenant extensions against upcoming versions of Business Central and notify admins if an incompatibility is found. Lastly, Business Central ISVs can preview Dynamics 365 Lifecycle Services, or LCS, a portal for management of their solutions, including deployment, upgrade, preview for early testing and evaluation, monitoring, live site troubleshooting, and lots more. The Designer accompanies Visual Studio Code, and it's a convenient way for devs to test and rapidly adjust visual content on page objects. So new features for developers include silently filtering out unused extensions from the test environment, a visual environment for moving, grouping, and hiding page actions, designing new list views, quick entry flows, field importance, and lots more. And with our April release, we're preparing to move the base application and country modifications from CAL to AL code, on optimizations for working with large projects, on additional productivity features, and addressing feedback from both internal and external developers. And lastly, for developers, the standard web API is moving out of beta, and the April release integrates final improvements from our community as version 1.0. The standard web API exposes more than 48 entities, and key new enhancements include custom namespaces, deep entity nesting, simple keys, and an employee timesheet registration API. The standard API, it's enabled by default in Business Central Online, and it can be enabled for on-premises deployments as well. A lot of our Business Central customers use our out-of-the-box integration with Dynamics 365 for sales, taking advantage of more advanced capabilities and AI automation to boost sales performance while integrating with Business Central for back-end processing. Well, with our April release, we've delivered expanded synchronization, improved sales order integration, and shared AI insights with Dynamics 365 for sales. Highlights include resolving synchronization conflicts easily, even in bulk, without involving IT or a partner, the ability to open coupled sales records from Business Central in the Sales Hub with the new unified interface, improvements to the responsive mobile app experience, expanded data synchronization on both quotes and orders for a richer view of changes happening on either side, such as sharing of notes between front and back office, and sharing of AI data between Business Central and Dynamics 365 for sales. Richer AI insight will help salespeople focus on the opportunities that are most likely to close and reduce risk with insights like our late payment predictor. We're also bringing more cloud insights to our existing on-premise customers of Microsoft Dynamics Nav, GP, and SL. By adding the Business Central Cloud, these on-premises customers can automatically synchronize their data to the cloud, where AI and other cloud-based scenarios can run against that data, returning insights directly in their Windows-based solutions. This release expands the Dynamics GP 2018 support with additional historical data and introduces support for Dynamics SL 2018 and Nav 2018. And our Nav customers can replicate nearly all their on-premise tables to their Business Central Cloud tenant. Well, those are just some of the many, many new capabilities and benefits we're bringing you with the April release of Business Central. If you'd like to learn more, check out the full release notes on our website, and while you're there, learn more about Business Central and even sign up for a trial to experience it for yourself. Thank you.